So it took me a while to realize this or figure out how to adjust the individual speaker settings on this Visio remote control. First of all, they say it's backlit. I thought that was great because these buttons would be backlit and you can see them in the dark, but it's misleading. What's backlit is this little LCD screen here. So you notice where it says level, and once I press that, you're going to see the top LED light up. All right, and you simply scroll down or up, and here's where you could change the bass level. And to the right is plus, to the left is minus. So if you hit plus, now you notice on the sound bar, that's the level indicator. It's not going to tell you on the remote control, but so now it's treble. If I want to go up, and you can see the treble is pretty high. It's probably going to start when you turn it on. I'm going to lower it to the center. That's where most of it begins. So your balance, your left surround, your right surround, all of it's in the middle. So my dialogue was kind of weak, so I just went to level. I pressed on level, and I looked for dialogue, and I increased it. And you can see up on top on the sound bar where it's at. So let me go, this is surround level. Let me scroll to surround, balance, bass, treble, dialogue. This is what I wanted. So I raised my dialogue all the way up so that I can hear that. And of course, you could do the same with the center speaker. I raised that up also, which is where the dialogue comes from. And again, you could do this for the subwoofer. You could increase it. You could decrease it if it's too loud. Same with bass and treble. You can increase or decrease. And the way you measure how high you're going is, if it's mid-level, it's right in the middle. And as you increase, it'll go up. As you decrease, it'll go down. So that's a way to tell your adjustments to your system. So good luck with that. It helped me out immensely. I can now hear my dialogue without having to crank up everything else. My front center speaker is both a little louder than the left and right, and I maxed out on my dialogue. So I hope this helps. And also, some people, I also see that they're not sure how to open this. They have trouble. Yeah, you have to press it down. I had a hard time myself. So what I did is I got a piece of tape. I laid it across the back. And with two hands, I held this down like this. And I pulled the piece of tape straight down to unlock it. It's very hard to do it this way. But those are two easy fixes in case you're having trouble with this Visio 5.2 remote control. This is a great product, by the way. I love the sound on it. I love all the adjustments. It works fantastic. Low volume, as well as, I haven't even cranked it up yet. I got a little past midway, and it pounds. You feel the subwoofer in your chest. I watched Top Gun. That's the first movie I watched with the surround system. Now I'm watching Lord of the Rings. Also good, a good movie to watch with good sound effects. So I'm thoroughly enjoying this product. Highly recommend it. I replaced a Bose Series 5 soundbar, and it's night and day. So I hope this helps. Bye.